In a small coastal village, nestled between the mountains and the sea, lived a boy named Arun. He wasn't the strongest, the fastest, or the loudest, but he was different. While other children ran and played, Arun would walk along the shore, head down, searching for something hidden beneath the sand. People said he was strange. They laughed at his silence, called him the driftwood boy, always floating through life, never rooted. But Arun didn't mind. He had a secret, a dream he never spoke aloud. One morning, after a fierce storm had swept through the village, Arun wandered to the beach. The sky was grey, the sea restless, and the breeze littered the sand. That's when he spotted it, something half buried in the wet earth. It looked like an ordinary stone, raw, dull, and heavy. But when he picked it up, he felt warmth. He brought it home, cleaned it, and placed it beside his bed. Every night he stared at the stone, whispering to it his fears, his hopes, his longing to become something more. The villagers mocked him even more now. You think that old rock's magic, they laughed. Throw it away and grow up. But Arun held on, not because he believed the stone would change his life, but because deep down he knew the value of things wasn't always on the surface. Years passed. Arun became a young man. The village faced hardship. Crops failed, fish vanished from the sea, and spirits sank low. Many people packed up and left. One evening, Arun climbed the cliffs overlooking the ocean. He sat under the stars, holding the stone, feeling defeated. For the first time, he considered throwing it away, but instead he struck it against the cliffside once, twice, 3 times. Crack! The stone split open. Inside was a crystal, clear and blue, glowing softly like a heartbeat. Stunned, Arun carried it down to the village temple. The elders gathered. The people stared. The once laughter stone was now a joke. It was unlike anything they had seen. Somehow, the air around it felt warmer. The next morning, rain came. The soil softened. The fishermen returned with nets overflowing. People celebrated. They called it a miracle. But Arun, standing at the edge of the crowd, just smiled. He knew the truth. The jewel hadn't changed. It had always been there. What changed was that someone finally believed enough to look beyond the raw surface and never gave up. The moral of the story: we all carry something precious inside us, but unless we nurture it, protect it, and believe in it, even when the world mocks us, it may never shine. Sometimes the most valuable things come disguised as ordinary. What matters is whether you give up or hold on long enough to discover the joy within.